A very happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your computer class. So, we were studying your chapter number 4, that is the advanced features of Word 2016. In the last lecture, we have studied how to insert header and footer. Okay, that topic was, I hope, clear to you. Okay, today we will move on to the part 2 of this chapter. Now, what we will learn today? Let's see. Now, what are the footnotes and endnotes? We will learn it theoretically as well as practically. Okay? Footnotes and endnotes provide explanation, comments, or references or for text in a document. Footnote appear at the bottom of the page, whereas endnotes appear at the end of the document or section. Now footnotes appear at the bottom of the page. यहाँ पे appear होते हैं and endnotes appear at the end of a document or a section. Means you can see the cursor. Endnotes are being appeared here, okay, at the end of the section, at the end of this paragraph or this paragraph or this paragraph, okay, and footnotes appear at the bottom of the page, okay. A footnote or an endnote consists of two linked parts, a note reference mark and a corresponding note text. Now, note reference mark and note text. See, when we are adding footnotes and endnotes, here the note reference mark is being added and here the note text is being added with the help of footnotes and endnotes. This I will show you in the practical, okay? Don't worry. The note reference mark is a next to the relevant text in the main document. Is a mark which is a next to the relevant text in the main document. It can be a number, a character, a combination of characters. Now, when there is a question asked, what is a note reference mark? You have to write it from here. The note reference mark is a next to the relevant text in the main document. It can be a number, character, or combination of characters. Still characters you will write. Okay. It indicates that additional information is to be found in the linked footnote or endnote. The footnote or endnote can be of any length and you can format it as just you would format any other text. We can format it also, it can be of any length. Here are the shortcut keys for the footnote and endnote. You have to remember it, okay? Control plus Alt plus F and Control plus Alt plus D for the endnote. Now I will show you in practical how to add or insert the footnote or endnote, okay? This topic will be clear to you then. We will move to a Word document, okay? This is your Word document. I have written here how to add footnotes and endnotes. I have typed here a text for you. Already I have typed here a text for you all. Okay. Now, where are the footnotes and endnotes available to us? In the Reference tab. In the References tab, here are the insert endnote and here are the insert footnote. But here is a dialog box. Okay. This sign is to show a dialog box. We will click on it. Okay, here we will click on the footnotes. It's already been written at the bottom of the page. Now here is a number format. You can choose any format. You want ABC in cursive, sorry, in small letters, in capital letters, or in Roman numbers, or any other symbols also. You can add it. Okay, I am just adding number format as 1, 2, 3, and I want to start at 1. You can add the symbols from here. Okay, numbering should be continuous and apply changes to the whole document. Just you will click on then insert. See here you can see one number. Okay, I will show you. Here I will write this is the first first note. Okay, this is the first note. Now when I want to refer this note, what I will do, I will just click here. Okay, then I will just click on show notes. See here you can see the first number. Okay, you can see the number 1. This is the reference, this is the first note. See, आपको पता चला किसके लिए यूज होता है footnotes and endnote? It's for the reference of the text. When we want to find a particular text or a particular section of the document, we add the footnotes or endnotes. ठीक है, यहाँ पे मैं add करूंगी 1 number. Now I want to again add it. Okay, I will just move the cursor where I want to add the footnote or endnote. मैं यहाँ पे cursor रखूंगी. Okay, then 1 second. I will just click it here. Then I will just click on insert footnote. See here. Can you see my cursor? Control Alt plus Control plus F. I will just click here. See, this is here. I will write. This is the second note. Okay. Now if I want to see this note, what is the note? इस note के अंदर क्या लिखा है मैंने? What is? I want to refer the note. I will just click on show notes. See again, my cursor is here. Again, my cursor appears automatically here, and here you can see this is the second note. Okay, dear children. Now, if I want to again add a note after this, if I want to again add a reference, okay, that is a corresponding text. This is a mark text. Okay, this is a note text, and the downward which I am adding it is a corresponding note text. It is a corresponding note text which I have studied, which you have studied in the theory. Okay. Now I want to add here the footnote or endnote. I will just click on insert footnote. See here, you can see the 3 option is there. 3 number is been written here, and here I will write this is the third note. Okay. Now if I want to see this note again, I will just click here. I will just move my cursor here. Then I will click on show notes. See, automatically my cursor is moving there, and here the note is being given to me. This is the third note. In the same way, here you can write the references like the names, or in the textbook also. Okay, when there is a chapter of yours, and at the end of the chapter it is written like reference from. Okay, the references from this and this book, or in library when you are studying many books, आपकी library की books के नीचे यहाँ पे पेज के नीचे लिखा हुआ होता है, कुछ quotes आते हैं और references आते हैं. These are the references which you can add in the Word document. Clear to you, children? ठीक है, कैसे क्या है footnotes और endnotes? They are the references to be added in the Word document. Okay, so that we can refer our notes very easily. Okay, let's move on to our next topic. Now, what is page background? To make a page visually interesting, we can add watermarks, change the color, and also apply the page borders. These commands are available on the Design tab in the Page Background group. Changing page color. To change the page color of the page, click Page Color option in the Page Background group and select the desired color. First, you will see the theory part, then I will show you. Okay. Next, adding watermarks. A watermark is a text or a picture placed behind the document text. It remains fixed in the background and does not move with the text. It can also be seen on the printout. It is mainly used to mark special pages. Now, what is a watermark? कोई text होता है, कोई picture होता है जो हमारे document के back side, behind the document text, it is being placed and it is remain fixed. Okay, we can't change the watermark. It doesn't move with the text. Okay, वो वहाँ पे fixed ही रहता है. Okay, dear children. Now, first I will show you the practical of this. This is our Word document. Okay, we will click on the Design tab. Here is the Design tab. See, here are the 3 options: watermark, page color, and page border. Here you will click on the dialog box and you can select any of the color to apply the page color. आपको background में जो भी color चाहिए, we can add it. See, the page color is being changed. The document is like looking very creative. It's looking very good. Okay, from white plain document, it's been colorful. Okay, you can change the page borders also. We can click here. We can select any of the borders from here. We can select this. We can select this. Okay, 3D. or custom. We can custom it also on. If we don't want to select any border, we will just click on none. If we want to select it, I will select just box 1, apply to whole document. Okay, then I will click on okay. See, a page border is being there. क्या आ गया, border पे एक पेज पे एक border apply हो गया. Clear? Now how to add a watermark? You will click on this down arrow button. Okay, see, confidential. These are the different types which we can see. Confidential in this type also. Okay, and confidential in this, in the horizontal text. Okay, this is a diagonal text and this is the horizontal text. Do not copy. It is a diagonal text. Okay, and this is the horizontal text. You can choose any of the watermark. Okay, ये एक स्पेशल टेक्स्ट है, एक पिक्चर है. यू अंडरस्टूड? किसी भी हमारा एक, जैसे कि आपके फादर कहीं पे कोई वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट बनाते हैं एंड दे आर मेकिंग इट कॉन्फिडेंशियल और दे डोंट वांट दैट डॉक्यूमेंट टू बी कॉपीड, सो व्हाट दे डू, दे ऐड अ वाटरमार्क टू इट. दे ऐड अ वाटरमार्क सो दैट हमारा वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट it does not get copied or it cannot be used anywhere else. So the, and we can also custom the watermark. We can remove the watermark from here also, and we can add more watermarks from the office.com. I will just select this watermark. See, you can see this watermark is being added to my Word document, and this watermark will also be seen in the printout. If I am taking the printout of this page, this watermark will be seen, and this watermark will not be removed with the text. हम लोग टेक्स्ट मूव करेंगे तो भी ये watermark मूव नहीं होगा. It will remain as it is. Clear to you, dear children? Okay, I hope you understood these topics very well. Okay, now, there is an action time in your textbook on page number 39. Which of the following steps is used to insert text behind the content of the page? Just now I show you, this is the watermark. See, this is the watermark of copy. Okay, how we will insert it? We will go on the design tab, page background group, and add a watermark. So, we will just click on B option. Okay. The command button, this one, is used to dash. Now this you have to watch the video, you have to see the practical session, and then you have to take it. Okay, it's add or change border around the page, choose a background color for a page, insert text behind the content of a page, or none of these. You have to do it. You have to think it, you have to watch the video, and then you have to do it. Okay. Application based question, children. Priya is planning a surprise birthday party for her mother. Her father has asked her to create a birthday card for her mother in Word. Help her to write happy birthday mom in Word. First of all, I will tell you how you can do this. You can write happy birthday mom with the help of the word art in a creative style. Okay, I have already taught you how to create a word art. Okay, how to write, add a text with the help of word art. I have already taught you. Okay, you will do it, and different page backgrounds to it. Also apply page border to it. This also I showed you in this video lesson. Okay, how to add the page backgrounds and how to apply the page border to it. You will do it. Okay, next one. Prasad has typed his project report in Word. He wants the name of the project on the top of every page. Name हमको अगर top of the page पे चाहिए, so what we will use? We will use header. And his name at the bottom of every page. Now this you have to tell me, dear children. Top के लिए हम footer header use करेंगे and bottom के लिए what we will use? Tell me fast. Yes, footer. He wants the name of the project on the top of the every page. That will be the heading of our project, and so we will use header. And his name at the bottom of every page, that is the name of Prasad. Okay, that's the name of the child. So we will use footer for that. Okay, understood? Next, worksheet time. So dear children, this is a worksheet in your textbook. Okay, on page number 42. 2, 3, I will discuss it with you, and then you will do it on your own. A section of the document that appears in the top margin. Abhi ma'am ne aapko bataya, top margin, that is header. Okay. A section of the document that appears in the bottom margin. Now only we discuss, that is footer. Then C appears at the bottom of the page. Appears at the bottom of the page. In this video lesson you have studied, that is the footnotes. That is the footnotes. Okay. These two you will do it on your own. You will watch the video and then you will do it. Okay. I know you can do it very well. Next one. Explain the following terms. Now I will tell you how you will write header and how you will write footer. This you have to do it in the textbook only. Okay. For header, you will write the following term. The header is a section of a document that appears in the top margin. The header is a section of the document that appears in the top margin. Okay. The header is a section of a document that appears in the top margin. Okay. The next one is footer. Footer is a section of document that appears in the bottom margin. Footer is a section of the document that appears in the bottom margin. Clear to you? I have explained you these two terms, okay, how you will write. Header is a section of the document that appears in the top margin. Footer is a section of the document that appears in the bottom margin. Clear to you? Now these three you will do it on your own. You will find it, you will read the video, you will watch the video lesson, you will refer the textbook and then you will write it. These three, that is a note, reference mark, end notes and footnotes. Clear to you children? Having any doubts in this chapter? Yes or no? Very good. Still, if you are having any doubts while watching the video or writing the notes, you can call me during the school hours. Okay, dear children, we will meet in the next video lesson with something new. Till then, bye-bye and God bless you all. Stay safe and stay healthy, my children.